Hello friends, in this video we will change all the car filters in a circle. First of all, let's start with the air filter. It must be changed without fail. Affects the fuel consumption, it's not changed for a long time. Here it has latches. Unfasten them and change the filter. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Further, in the cabin, there are cabin filters under the glove compartment. To remove the glove compartment, there are screws here. They need to be unscrewed. The filter also needs to be changed or cleaned. If you turn on the stove or the air conditioner, then the cabin will not be able to be from the smell. Disconnect these wires and remove it. Further, there is also a charcoal filter. They should also be erased or changed from time to time. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.